Well, summer's upon us and we're very excited to start our new season, the summer of 2022. But before we do that, we have a few episodes we've created to show updates we've done to our RV. So stay tuned. All right, today we're going to install our RVLock on our camper. We bought it on a Black Friday sale, which was in November and it's April. So why wait so long? Because the camper was in storage and finally it's time to take it out and start getting it ready for another season of camping. So we're gonna open the box and take a look at it. Yes, I did open it once before and look at it, but that's about it. So you got the inside part, looks like the outside part, comes with a fob. It's like strike plate materials, and has install instructions, it looks like, and then instructions on programming your keypad and your fob. So we'll see how all that goes. When I bought this, I also bought an extra fob. I don't really remember, since it's so long ago, why I bought an extra one. I think it's because I didn't know it even came with a fob. That'll be fine because now we both will have one, Gina and I. All right, looks like there are 4 Phillips head screws. I carefully read the manual.
Not.
I think this is something I can wing it. If you see me, if it's take 2, then I guess I should have read the manual. All right, so we're just gonna take out these 4 screws. That's all I see that you need to take out. Uh-oh.
Really making it look easy there.
The last one is, I probably need a better screwdriver. Got a little bigger screwdriver on the end of my electric screwdriver, and yeah, here we are, we're in business. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on here. So it looks like it's not coming out yet. Looks like I have to take these 2 screws out. So let's do that quickly. All right, gotta take that strike plate off. And looks like this just comes right out of there. Looks like all I'm gonna have to do is just put this right in place where the other one was. No, that worked pretty well. All right, so it looks like we're in place. Now, I guess I need to put the strike plate on. There are 2 switch plates. I just don't see where this one's, I think I know what this is. I just now realized that this looks identical to the one we have here. I don't know that I'll have to switch that out. Here I am, the expert, not reading the instructions. I'll tell you if it works in the end. Oop, it just beeped. That's a good sign. Line up the screws. Let's try to get one. Tighten up a bit. I gotta say, if this is successful, this is an easy do-it-yourself project. I mean, my God, I didn't even read it. It was just 4 screws, 4, 5, 6 screws. Well, let's close it and see if it opens. If it doesn't, that's gonna suck. Seems to work. All right, I've read the instructions. It doesn't look hard, but it's not intuitive. You'd never figure it out. We're gonna hit the 8 and lock, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lock. Pressing the no code. That seemed to do it. We got a long confirmation. All right, so it took us a few times. I think I was waiting too long between it, and it's like you missed your moment. All right. To ensure your new code is working, key in the new code and press lock or unlock. It's already locked, so.
I wasn't.
And it's working. We're in business.
Yay.
All right, let's try the fobs now. I got them in my pocket here. Turn the switch on. Okay, right here there's an on switch. So you got to turn the switch on. Then press and release the fob learn button located. Ooh. Fob learn. I need a little pen. Well, wasn't that handy? Okay.
I can be useful.
Press and release the fob learn button located next to the on-off switch. A short, quick beep will confirm that the handle has entered programming mode. Then press and release the lock button on your remote until the handle confirms a sync with a long beep. May take 2 to 3 clicks. And we hit the on switch is on, hit learn fob, hit the lock. It was a big beep. Now finally press the lock. Look at that.
Look at that, just like magic.
And there you have it. We have installed a new, beautiful keyless lock.
Fantastic.
Easy. It was easy. Easy-ish. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next 2 episodes where we'll do further upgrades, including installing a Lippert thin shade, as well as other upgrades to both the inside and the outside of the camper. We'll be putting new tile backsplash in the kitchen. You want to be sure to see that. Afterwards, we start our big summer trip across the entire western United States. Hope to see you on the road.